Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'll show you how to edit songs like a pro using Suno AI. It's free, beginner friendly, and super easy to use. If you've been wanting to tweak songs for your personal projects, this tutorial is perfect for you. Let's dive in. Step 1. Set up and log in to Suno AI. First, go to Suno AI's website and log into your account. If you're new, creating an account is quick and free. Once inside, you'll have access to its amazing music editing tools. Step 2. Upload your song or choose a sample. Next, upload the song you want to edit. You can either drag and drop your file or select one of the sample tracks available in the tool if you just want to practice. Step 3. Adjust vocals and instruments. Now it's time to customize. Want to enhance the vocals or swap out instruments? Suno AI makes it simple. Use the vocal and instrument controls to mix the sound exactly the way you want. Step 4. Add effects and fine-tune. Ready to add some flair? You can apply effects like reverb, echo, or pitch adjustments. Experiment with these to give your song a fresh new vibe. Step 5. Preview and export. Once you're happy with your edits, preview the final track. If it sounds perfect, hit export to save your edited song in high quality. That's it, you're done. And that's how you can edit songs easily with Suno AI. It's fast, fun, and perfect for beginners. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your creations in the comments. Catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching.